My dear students, welcome to class 7th, second chapter. First chapter was Subhashitani. I hope all of you thoroughly studied the first chapter that was in the shloka form. Now, the second chapter is Durbuddhihi Vinashyati. This chapter is in the form of prose. So, all of you know that about Vishnu Sharma. All of you know? Yes, Vishnu Sharma. What did he write? He wrote Panchatantra. Panchatantra, the famous book for the morals. This story is also taken from Panchatantra. Here it tells Durbuddhihi Vinashyati. So when our mind, Buddhihi means mind, gets when our mind starts thinking negatively, it is the indication of our fall down. This is the moral which we understand from this story. In this story, there are two swans and a tortoise, which is a good friend of these two swans. The tortoise comes to know that fishermen are coming and going to kill it. So it requests these swans to fly, so this tortoise can fly along with them to the another pond. So while flying along with the swans, some people will ridicule at a tortoise. Forgetting its position, it starts scolding those people who are commenting on it. So it falls and dies. This is what the story all about. So we will read the story and understand it better. द्वितीयः पाठः दुर्बुद्धिः विनश्यति. अस्ति मगधदेशे फुल्लोत्पल नाम सरः. तत्र सङ्कटविकटनामकौ हंसौ निवसतः. कम्बुग्रीव नाम तयोः मित्रम् अपि कूर्मः अपि तत्रैव प्रतिवसति स्म. अस्ति मगधदेशे फुल्लोत्पल नाम सरः. There is a country. The name of the country is Magadha country. There is a lake. The name of the lake is Pullotpala. Pulla means blossomed. Utpala means lotus. Where the lotus gets blossomed very much. That is the name of the lake. Pullotpala is the name of the lake. Tatra Sankata Vikata Namakau Hamsau Nivasataha. In that Pullotpala lake, there lived two swans. The name of these two swans are Sankata and Vikata. These are the two swans. Kambugriva Nama Tayoho Mitram Ekaha Kurmaha Api Tatraiva Prativasati Sma. In the same lake, there lived a tortoise. Kurmaha means tortoise. The name of the tortoise is Kambugriva. Now we have come to know that there is a country. The name of the country is Magadha. There is a lake. What is the name of the lake? Pullotpala. There lived two swans. What is the name of two swans? Sankata and Vikata. Along with the swans, there lived a tortoise. The name of the tortoise is Kambugriva. Next paragraph. Atha ekada dhivaraha tatra agachan akathayan cha vayam shvaha matsyakurmadin marayishyamaha. Etat shrutva kurmaha avadat mitre किम युवाभ्याम धीवराणां वार्ता श्रुता अधुना किम अहम करोमि. हंसौ अवदतां प्रातः यत् उचितं तत् कर्तव्यम्। कूर्मः अवदत् मैवं तत् यथा अहम् अन्यं ह्रदं गच्छामि तथा कुरुतम्। अथ एकदा धीवराः तत्र आगच्छन् अकथयन् च। Once the fishermen came there and they started talking. वयं श्वः मत्स्यकूर्मादीन् मारयिष्यामः. Tomorrow we will come to this lake and kill all the matsya. Matsya means fish. Kurmadin. Kurma means tortoise. We will catch fish and tortoises and kill them. Etat shrutva Kurmaha avadat. Listening to these fishermen, this tortoise started speaking. It is speaking to these swans. Mitre. Kim yuvabhyam dhivaranam varta shruta. My dear friends, did you listen to these fishermen? What they are speaking? Could you understand? Adhuna kim aham karomi. What can I do now? Hamsav avadatam. So these two swans told Pratah yat uchitam tat kartavyam. Whatever is good in the morning, we will do in the morning. Kurmaha avadat. But tortoise told, Maivam. No. Tat yatha aham anyam hradam gacchami tatha kurutam. No. Yatha aham anyam hradam gacchami tata kurutam. As I reach another pond, please do something that I should reach to the another pond. Very important is hradam. Hradam means sarovaram, saraha, tadagaha iti. Hamsav avadatam. Avam kim karavava? Kurmaha avadat. Aham bhavadbhyam saha akashamargena anyatra gantum ichchami. These two swans told, Avam kim karavava? What we both can do? Kurmaha avadat. Then tortoise tells, Aham bhavadbhyam saha akashamargena anyatra gantum ichchami. I want to travel along with you in the sky to reach the another pond. Hamsav avadatam. These two swans told, Atra kaha upayaha? What is the plan here? Kachapaha vadati. Yuvam kashtadandam ekam chanchva dharayatam. Both of you catch a stick in the end with your strong beak. Aham kashtadanda madhye avalambya yuvabhyam pakshabalena sukhena gamishyami. I will catch in the center with the help of your wings. So happily I can fly in the sky. Hamsav akathayatam. Swans told, Sambhavati eshaha upayaha. Yes, this plan may work out. Kintu atra ekaha apayaha api vartate. But there is a danger in this. Avabhyam niyamanam tvam avalokya janaha kinchit vadishyanti eva. When we both are carrying you, people will look at you and they will speak something. Yaditvam uttaram dasyasi. If you answer to those people, tada tava maranam nishchitam. Then your death is definite. Definitely you are going to die. Ataha tvam atraiva vasa. So that's why it is better that you live in the same lake. Tat shrutva kruddha. After listening to that, the tortoise has become very angry. Once again, we will read the full lesson. Today's part once again, and next part we will see in the next class. द्वितीयः पाठः दुर्बुद्धिः विनश्यति. अस्ति मगधदेशे फुल्लोत्पलनामसरः. तत्र सङ्कटविकटनामकौ हंसौ निवसतः. कम्बुग्रीव नाम तयोः मित्रम् एकः कूर्मः अपि तत्रैव प्रतिवसति स्म. अथ एकदा धीवराः तत्र आगच्छन् अकथयन् च, वयं श्वः मत्स्यकूर्मादीन् मारयिष्यामः. एतत् श्रुत्वा कूर्मः अवदत्, मित्रे, किं युवाभ्यां धीवराणां वार्ता श्रुता. अधुना किम् अहं करोमि? हंसौ अवदताम्, प्रातः यत् उचितं तत् कर्तव्यम्. कूर्मः अवदत्, मैवं. तत् यथाहम् अन्यं ह्रदं गच्छामि तथा कुरुतम्. हंसौ अवदताम्, आवां किं करवाव? कूर्मः अवदत्, अहं भवद्भ्यां सह आकाशमार्गेण अन्यत्र गन्तुम् इच्छामि. हंसौ अवदताम्, अत्र कः उपायः? कच्छपः वदति, युवां काष्ठदण्डम् एकं चञ्च्वा धारयताम्. अहं काष्ठदण्डमध्ये अवलम्ब्य युवाभ्यां पक्षबलेन सुखेन गमिष्यामि. हंसौ अकथयताम्, सम्भवति एषः उपायः, किन्तु अत्र एकः अपायोऽपि वर्तते. आवाभ्यां नीयमानं त्वाम् अवलोक्य जनाः किञ्चित् वदिष्यन्ति एव. यदि त्वम् उत्तरं दास्यसि तदा तव मरणं निश्चितम्. अतः त्वम् अत्रैव वस इति. अग्रे किं भविष्यति इति अग्रिमपाठे पश्यामः. सर्वेपि गृहे सम्पूर्णं पाठं पुनरेकवारं श्रद्धया पठन्तु. सर्वेषामपि पदानाम् अर्थं जानन्तु. यत्र पर्यायपदानि सन्ति तानि पृथक्तया लिखन्तु. यदि कस्यचित् पदस्य अर्थं न जानन्ति चेत् मां प्रष्टुम् अर्हन्ति. My dear boys, take down the lesson, write it thoroughly and practice. Handwriting is very important. Note down the difficult words. You are very free to ask. Good. Next part we will see in the next class. Thank you.